Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stream on Kick with mobile phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this you need a third-party app called Streamlabs. So this is for live streaming. So you need to simply tap open your Streamlabs, and once you have opened it, you need to enable your camera and microphone. Once you have done this, you need to simply set up your device accordingly and go to account settings. So once you have been in account settings as well, you need to simply connect your Streamlabs ID with Kick and select Custom RTMP. Once you have done this as well, you can simply Custom RTMP settings and find all the stream URLs, stream keys, and do stuff like that. And by doing this, you can simply hit on the go live from mobile option, and this will allow you to stream on Kick with mobile phone. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.